In this video, we're taking you on a tour of our recent stay at the Bellagio Las Vegas. This luxurious hotel ushered in the era of the super resorts in Las Vegas when it opened in 1998 at a cost of $1.6 billion. Inspired by the famous village of Bellagio located on Italy's Lake Como, the resort is known for its dancing fountains and the stunning Conservatory. As we enter the lobby, the beautiful Fiori di Como blown glass flowers, created by famous artist Dave Chihuly, welcomes all guests. This stunning art piece cost $10 million and is one of the most photographed items at the resort and all of Las Vegas. After a quick check-in process, we made our way to our room at the Bellagio Tower. Let's take a look at our king room, 22027. So on the right side, as you immediately walk in, there's a huge bathroom with a double sink vanity. There's the toilet. Here is a shower. It's a big shower. And a soaking tub. And they provide you with a loofah, bath salt, shower cap, and here is some body wash. And let's take a look what's on the vanity. It's some lotion and hand wash. There's a tall mirror by the entrance. And here's some controls for the drapes. And here's a large bedroom. There's a king-size bed. And here's a phone, a pen and some paper. This is probably about a 50-inch TV. Let's see what's in the fridge. And they have a bunch of drinks here. These are all censored, so once you take them out, they will charge you. A bunch of Fiji water and some snacks. These are just some storage. Ice bucket, a couple of wine glasses, and regular glasses. Let's take a look at this closet. It's just a small closet with a couple of bathrobes. And actually there's an iron and ironing board. Here's a small table, just to lounge. You want to have a snack and have some drinks. And our view is, that's the other tower of the Bellagio. And I don't know if you can see, but the reflection is kind of bad, but those are the pools. And here's a lounge chair, looks pretty comfy. And that pretty much does it for our tour of this king room at the Bellagio. One of the hotel's main attractions is the Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. The 14,000 square foot gardens changes display every season with artfully laid out plants, flowers, and trees. The attention to detail is astounding, and it is a must-see attraction when visiting Las Vegas. The dancing fountains are the resort's most famous attraction. More than 1,000 fountains sway in front of the hotel, enhanced by music and light. The display spans more than 1,000 feet, with water soaring as high as 460 feet into the air. Guests who want to dine while enjoying magnificent views of the fountains have 8 fabulous restaurants to choose from. Experience fine dining and late-hour performances on Friday and Saturday nights at the Mayfair Supper Club. Spago is Wolfgang Puck's legendary flagship fine dining restaurant and features California fare paired with modern technique inspired by his weekly trips to the Santa Monica Farmers Market. Lago by chef Julian Serrano serves freshly made fine coastal Italian fare for lunch and dinner. Le Cirque, a AAA 5-Diamond Award winner, features contemporary French cuisine set seamlessly within an intimate jewel box setting. Jasmine serves traditional Cantonese and Szechuan dishes accompanied by authentic and replicated Chinese art. Yellowtail Japanese Restaurant and Lounge showcases innovative dishes from traditional and contemporary Japanese cuisine that includes a flair of Korean essence. Picasso serves elegant French cuisine and features authentic Picasso masterpieces. Experience steakhouse dining at its finest at Prime Steakhouse. Noodles serves authentic regional dishes from Thailand, Japan, China, and Vietnam. Enjoy amazing views of Bellagio's Conservatory and Botanical Gardens at Sadel's Cafe while having breakfast, brunch, or lunch. Michael Mina Bellagio features the famous chef's seafood artistry with seafood that is flown in daily. If you've ever wanted to dine at the beautiful Conservatory and Botanical Gardens, now is your chance. Make reservations at the garden table, which serves up to 6 guests for brunch and 4 guests for dinner. I'm not really a fan of this, since everyone will be staring at you while dining inside. Harvest has an evolving menu that features specially crafted dishes and cocktails that evolve with the seasons. Have a big appetite? Check out the buffet at Bellagio, where the freshest ingredients and flavors of the world come together in an elaborate display. Stop by the Bellagio Patisserie to satisfy your sweet tooth cravings. Have a watermelon Bellini and a grilled salmon piccata while enjoying pool views at Como Poolside Cafe and Bar. For those looking for a quick bite, check out Palio, Cafe Gelato, snacks at the Sportsbook, and Juice Press. Spend the evening at the Pinky Ring by Bruno Mars, a modern luxury lounge featuring some of today's most talented musicians and DJs. Grab some caviar tacos and a cocktail while listening to live piano sounds at Petrosian Bar. High rollers can play their favorite games while enjoying the rich whiskey program and fine cigar collection at Club Privé. Relax and sip on a cocktail and try out the extensive cigar collection at Baccarat Bar. Wager on upcoming sporting events and have a drink at Sports Bar Lounge. There's no need to step out of the resort to get your shopping done, as the hotel features multiple luxury retailers such as Fendi, Louis Vuitton, and Hermes. Art enthusiasts should not miss the Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art, which features exhibitions by some of the world's most compelling artists. O by Cirque du Soleil has been running since the hotel opened in 1998. It features an international cast of world-class acrobats, artistic swimmers, divers, and characters who perform in, on, and above water. Bellagio features a spacious outdoor area with 5 Italian-inspired pools and multiple hot tubs. Daybeds and luxurious cabanas are available for reservation, and rates vary from weekdays to weekends. I checked out the pools at 10 a.m. on a Friday morning and it was already packed, but there were still chairs available. There's no reason to miss your workouts while on vacation, as the hotel has a large fitness center with plenty of free weights, cardio machines, and other exercise equipment to burn off those calories. They also offer personal training and fitness sessions to help guests with their fitness goals. Even though the hotel has been open for almost 26 years, it is still one of the most luxurious hotels on the Vegas Strip. It's well maintained, has spacious standard rooms, plenty of dining options, a spacious and relaxing pool area, and some of the best attractions on the Strip. If you're looking for a luxury hotel in Las Vegas, it doesn't get much better than the Bellagio. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @BevandRyan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.